Hey Wales, good morning. Happy March 19th. It's Wednesday. Let's go over and break down NVIDIA for today and go over some of the trade setups. So I want to go over the first one, which is the bullish setup, right? So if you think that NVIDIA has bottomed here, right, for a wave 4 in red, and you can see that we did put in 3 waves here in ABC. So this is a bottom contender. What you're probably going to do, let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. You're going to be basically looking at a potential long position across, let's say, here, guys, right? So you're going to be longing 113 down to 110 with a stop loss underneath, let's say, 106, right? This is your trade setup. You're going to be aiming for this level here, 127 to 130. Once it reaches this level, you're going to raise your stop loss to your entry price, right? So raise your stop loss to your entry price for a risk-free trade, just in case NVIDIA does a double correction and comes down closer to, let's say, 80 in the future, okay? So that's sort of your trade setup. And what you're going to be looking for is that when this does dip here, okay, where you're looking for higher highs. So you're basically a risk-free trade. You let the markets decide once it reaches 127, 128. 9, and yeah, you're basically good to go. Now on the flip side to this, let's go over the bearish scenario. Now if you're more so on the camp where you think that it's going to go down, right, your trade setup looks like this. So same thing, you have an ABC that came down. Now you're putting in a W, X wave, and then a Y wave coming down to finish off all of this, right, at 76 down to 89 for this fourth wave, right? So you're looking at, let's color this black, right? So you're looking at a double correction where NVIDIA is going to go up and then fail and then come down even more. So if you take the inverse fibs, you're going to be shorting anywhere between 123 up to 135. That's your short position, with the stop loss above, let's say, this pivot high at 149. So that's your short position that you're looking for NVIDIA, and you'll start taking profits at 93 to 86, right? And then once NVIDIA reaches, let's say, right here at 112 or even 109, you're going to raise your stop loss down to your entry price, right? You're going to raise your stop loss or lower your stop loss to entry price for a risk-free trade. So if NVIDIA does something funky like this, right, you're not going to lose money, you're not going to gain any money, right? So you're in a risk-free trade. So that's your setup, guys, for NVIDIA. So if you need help in figuring out trades like this, guys, every single day, every single week, we have a swing trade portion in Discord where, you know, we have setups like this every single time. So I'm telling you, come join. You're going to make a lot of money. You're going to get the exact entries, you're going to get the exact stop losses, the exact targets, so that you can be successful, guys, right? So come join Discord. I'll see you guys there. And yeah, have a great rest of your Wednesday.